So I went to Staples twice, and this is just label paper. They couldn't get the blue. I just want to put a label on a bottle. Not blue, a little black. What can you do? It's Staples, I'm on a budget. Good Friday! We're gonna try and make our own lunchbox sandwich spread. On one of the ads, it just says fresh mayo, relish, sweet peppers, spices, salt and sugar. Now there's no way for me to know which spices are in there. I'm gonna put a bunch, and I want to put a little bit of onion dip without the onions. We're gonna separate the powder. In the early ads, the spread looked a little pink. In a later ad, it just looked whitish greenish. I'm thinking it went a little pink because of the sweet peppers. I'm going to hand chop some sweet peppers. We've got some chunky relish. This is Retro Experiment Friday. Let's stop yapping and let's get making some sandwich spread. Oh, hey! When you get the relish, it's really good. I think those dehydrated onions, I'm hoping they will absorb some of the moisture here. It doesn't taste like anything I've had. It doesn't taste like tartar sauce. Oh, it's a little tangy. If I get sandwich spread on the label, that'll be a bad thing. So just until it gets filled up. Bonus recipe. I know. What do I know? I know this isn't the real thing. I know this doesn't taste like the original. We're playing. I also know I made this chunky. I should have put chunky style on the label. I wasn't thinking. In one of those ads, there was a sandwich called Summer Sandwich. And we've got to try it. Sandwich spread, jam, lettuce, for kids. It says tailor-made for youngsters. How could I not try it? It says to put sandwich spread. What's more vintage than Wonder Bread? This is original Wonder Bread. Boy, it looks good though. Let's try some. It's good, man. Now it says lettuce. Lettuce. Come on. For the youngsters. Perfect for youngsters. You gotta have the crunch. Strawberry preserves. I mean, I had to try this. That's good. That's enough. Here we go. Terrific for youngsters. I gotta try and cut it because okay. Sandwich spread, jam, and lettuce. Let's see what it looks like. Are we gonna do this? All right, here we go. No fooling around. I'm shocked. I am shocked. I'm shocked. It tastes good. How is that possible? It tastes good. It's blowing my mind. Wow! It's pleasant all around. That's freaking me out. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Let's just keep going. Kind of unbelievable. I wonder what it tastes like if you bought Heinz sandwich spread in a jar. Or like Miracle Whip. Oh, that's weird. That's something I've never experienced. Retro Friday. I never would have thought that strawberry jam and a mayo relish spread would taste good. I'm amazed. Don't use your fingers. Don't eat with your fingers. It really tastes good. Thanks for joining me this Friday. Thanks for watching.